Alright y'all, that light is shining. Good morning and welcome back to another video. My name is Chelsea. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, and if you're not new, welcome back. So in today's video, it is that time to do spring cleaning. My room looks so atrocious. Okay, I've just let it get to a point where it's just too much. The clothes, I'm going to do a closet clean now as a separate video because I don't have time for that right now. Okay, the plan is to basically, I want to rearrange my room, and then while I'm doing that, I'm going to be deep cleaning. I want to get rid of stuff that I'm not using, don't plan on using. There's like books that I literally don't read, and I just got a Kindle. If you guys watched my wellness video, you guys seen that. So I got a Kindle and all of that, and I'm not gonna sit here and like keep books if I'm not reading them. And exciting news is coming, so this is also very needed. My arm is hurting because I'm not holding a tripod right now, but yeah, so let's get cleaning. The first step, since I'm doing clothes in the next video, I'm going to move all my clothes into closet. All these clothes are clean, those are also clean clothes. So yeah, that's the plan right now. It's gonna be the first step. Saw the sign here at this point, just also bad. Are you okay?
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Get up. Alright, step 2. We did that, alright. For the most part, I do have some dirty clothes still, so I'm going to put the dirty clothes in the wash with my blankets and pillowcases, just because I don't want to have to do multiple loads, and it's just blankets. So, I already washed my under sheets or whatever, so I'm just going to wash pillowcases and whatever I just said. Alright. Also, guys, I don't want to be doing this forever, so. What time is it?
Right now, it's 9:06 a.m.
See, we're starting bright and early. I want to be able to hit the pool by the time it's 90 degrees outside. To tan, of course, because my feet are white. Dirty clothes is like a never-ending thing. Alright, so now we have this tower of baby stuff. So I was able to stack up the diapers, okay? I was able to stack them up, but the problem is this is just a prop, okay? Okay, so we have this stroller and car seat still in its box, and we just have other stuff. Alright, the first stroller in the plastic wrapping is going to stay here at my mom's house just because she is not gonna, baby is not gonna need that until she's a little older. Like, I personally don't want a stroller like that right this second, especially like when she's small. And then also I did buy a stroller, the Joey stroller and car seat set. This one is going to come with us. This one is going to stay here. So I'm going to take this one out. My mom said she's going to put it in the shed. Like, obviously, as the baby shower approaches, this mess is just going to get worse. So I'm going to try and brainstorm real quick. We might start moving furniture too, just to kind of like get a vision of where we can put stuff. But let's take that stroller out. I need a trash bag. Alright, that's out. This one, I'm just going to put in the hallway for now, but obviously it has to come back in. And for anybody worried about my well-being, that was not heavy. Alright, so I want to move my bed where it's under these pictures, because you guys know it goes this way. I want to move it so it goes this way. And I think I want to put my desk right there because I still have outlets. I don't know the words of that. I think I want to move all of that there. That's the plan I was already thinking. Yeah, so we're going to start this side of the room. So my bed and my desk and like side table, that little dresser thing I made. This is actually going to be worse than I thought. This whole cleaning process. I'm overstimulated already and I'm hot. Oh, you gonna beat me up? You think you can win a fight? Alright, y'all, I got my supplies. As you can tell, I'm 30 minutes into this clean, and I don't want to do this anymore. Moving stuff went fine. I'm gonna keep moving stuff. But in a second, I'm about to start cleaning up, because I'm ready to take a nap. But I'm gonna give myself until like 12. I'm gonna put some music on, and like kind of just like lock in.
What
Alright, y'all. So it just took me 35 minutes to put that little boy to sleep. He loves to fight his sleep. And you know, they always say when your kid is sleeping, you nap too. Because I need to finish this, and I feel like he's gonna sleep for 2 hours because he woke up at 7 and it's currently 11. So I at least have till 1. I think 2 hours is more than enough time because I was able to do this in like roughly an hour. So I moved my bed. I've cleaned off this. I've cleaned off this. This is stuff like this is my to-do list. There are gift cards I got for my gender reveal. This book, I'm trying to see what I want to do with it. This is my husband's thing. That's basically done. So I'm thinking now, I have this corner. Since I moved my mirror over there, I think I'm going to put the stroller here and then stack the baby stuff on top of it. In this little corner, I'm gonna put my workout stuff so it's out of the way. It might be a little tight to get in the closet, but I mean, it's just temporary, guys. So it doesn't really matter. That's the issue. I don't want it in the middle of the room. And then after that, this would be, oh my gosh, I forgot to put this on my desk. This would be a good area to go to because I'm gonna be donating a lot of the books that are on the shelf, and then most of it is trash. This is the trash bag so far. All right, enough chitter chatter. Let's get going. Y'all, so I just swept the whole house because I'm gonna try to sweep and mop the house. Well, just mop now the whole house before he wakes up. I just have a lot like last minute things to do in here, so I'm gonna put them somewhere so that I can just get them out of the way. Anyhow, the last things I need to do is just clean off the couch on top, and then I'm gonna clear off the bottom. I'm so hot. Bed, I need to fix that. But like my sheets are not done. I still have another hour in the dryer now though. But I'm gonna wipe down the mirror. Oh, I need to move this fan too. Guys, it's been days, and when I mean days, I mean a freaking week. But the room is clean enough. It's like 93% clean. I don't freaking know. All right, just a little tour. This bear is just staying here. This is all Christmas stuff. Remember, I'm donating these books. This is I'm going on a trip for 3 days, so that's my packed stuff. Those shoes are going with that. My pillows, I put the air purifier here because I don't really know put it, and I'm not really using it. I threw something in there because I don't know if I want to get rid of it yet. My mirror is now here. These pajamas obviously don't fit me anymore, and the bump is getting bigger. Husband stuff I put there. Bed. I'm about to go to sleep, so I just threw it together. We still have this. The desk is clean as it's gonna get. We cleaned over here, and the closet is also clean, but that'll be another video. So I hope that this gave you guys a little bit of motivation to clean your room because it's so much better to have a clean room, guys. This baby girl loves fruit punch, guys. Not even gonna lie to you. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you. God loves you. Peace out. See you in my next spring video.